Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Right Path. I am Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. Topic is global recovery. The global world is going through a great turbulence of global recession and global poverty is on the rise. Rich are becoming extremely rich and poor are becoming severely poor and are about to die. Perhaps what we have seen so far could be like tip of iceberg and the rest could come later. Since the world didn't take true guidance from the Quran to balance global system to save humanity, to build whole new world, heavenly earth. There are over 85,000 registered charity organizations in Canada alone as of today, as of 1st June 2012, which is alarming, extremely high. Therefore, we need a new multi-tier system to change our world with love. Like a severely ill cancer patient may have to go through surgery, radiation, chemotherapy, as well as stem cells for his survival. It is an emergency to join together as global family where we are all global brothers and global sisters to fix our global world. What will happen to the citizens of US and China if US, the world's greatest superpower, stops buying from China since it has already in great deficit, or China stops selling to USA and demands to return loan first? A great man-made disaster for the citizens of China as well as US will happen. War is not an option in which economy dies again and again, but love is, which starts from forgiveness, as mentioned in Quran, reference Al Quran 41, chapter 41, verse 35. If two countries are in conflict war, it might last a few years or decades, including preparation time, but other supporting countries' economy might boost, since these two might be buying tools, etc., from them, and later all collapse, while love lasts much longer as long as they keep loving each other. For example, if in India alone, out of 1.4 billion people, if 1 billion people need cell phones right now, at present time, all cell phone industries together might not be able to produce it right away. Another example is if situation in the Middle East gets stable, perhaps 1% or 1.5 billion of 1.8 billion Muslims may be interested every year to visit Beit al-Aqsa Masjid in Jerusalem. Think of how much never-ending business will grow there and how much benefits the local people will get. The road to recovery of the world may not be a simple step to take. Multi-faith forums, dialogues are the key things to understand each other and bring brilliant ideas to save our world. One on case-by-case method, we need to reanalyze each and every verse of for the holy books in to find which thing idea will help us to save our world, along with many other ideas from non-religious groups as well as from modern science and technology, which will help us discover new global economics. We Muslims believe that we must take the guidance from the Quran, true book of guidance for mankind, to save global world. We need to keep key point in our mind to build a global model for global recovery, and it must be based on true humanitarian ground without any extra luxury as a global charity. In the beginning, we might need help from those who can afford it on volunteer basis, or perhaps get old technologies to train people, etc. But our direction must be not to be burden on anyone. Key points to remember from Quran before making a base model. Saving a life is like save whole world. Forgiveness is the key to come to closer to help each other. We are children of Adam and Eve, and we are global brothers and global sisters of global family. Come to the common points is the key to start building global world for our global family. There is no compulsion in religion. Religion is a personal thing to a person, family, or community, etc. And no one is allowed to force anyone, including to wife. Since a Muslim can have my wife from people of the book. There is no discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, language, nationality, etc. Diversity interfaith dialogues forum must be going on regularly to find the true solution to build global world. Avoid loans and avoid waste and stop greediness as much as possible, keeping in mind how much is too much to help stabilize global world. Initial base model for the development of whole new world in the light of Quran. Think of what pray a graveyard person will pray to boost his business other than may all people will die. This is an extremely dangerous situation for the mankind, and similar thoughts could be in many areas to play with the people. Global system must be changed in a revolutionized way to build whole new world with true love, with humanity. Whatever people have achieved till now is a big asset to the world, and we need to take the world from here to a whole new world, heavenly earth, which will move extremely fast to explore the universe, and for which we will surely need to train people. Allah has already promised His blessings as mentioned below. And if the people of the towns had believed and guarded against evil, we would certainly have opened up for them blessings from heaven and the earth, but they rejected. So we overtook them for what they had earned. Reference Al Quran, chapter 7, verse 96. Money is not a concern for global recovery, but it is a global system and will be in phases. It is not the wealth, gold or silver or power which could save the global world from globalization. Allah sees Qarun, Pharaoh, Haman, and many more for their crime against humanity. Nothing could save them, including their wealth, power, or people, etc. And world didn't end there, but even without their wealth and power, it had redeveloped. In phase one, divide current system into multi-tier system, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and work on tier 1. We will deal with all those people in tier 1. We will deal with all those people who are in severe poverty without burdening on anyone. Feed them so that no one is dying of hunger. Taking care of their health, educate them as per need in the open market tier 2 to find the jobs. Education will be totally free and boarding and lodging allowance will be available for the needy so that students will be able to fully concentrate on their study to build whole new world. If a doctor is in a if a debtor is in a difficulty, till grant him time till it is easy for him to repay. But if you waive the sum by way of charity, it will be better for you if you understand it. Reference Al Quran, chapter 2, verse 280. Put them all who have completed required education into research and development team till they find jobs in the open market. New projects will be initiated to help the humanity. Any person or organization working for the humanity without any extra luxury will get full support, which includes those working for open source system, for example, Wikipedia and others, or healthcare to severe to serve the humanity for free. Any person in this tier 1 studying or working in research lab or running this tier 1 will not have big salary. Instead, it will be balanced salary on true humanitarian basis. Will request people and organizations for tier 2 and tier 3 to volunteer their expertise to build whole new world. No one will be allowed to involve in anything which may spoil global stability. In phase 2, we will need to work on tier 2. We will deal with all those troubled organizations and countries to stabilize them. We need to realize their needs and find the way to fix their problems in our research lab for free and will be open to all like an open source system. In phase 3, we'll need to work on tier 3. Although this tier is for all those who are stable and don't need any help at this time, but still there might be some severe issues which they might have neglected, due to which world is facing severe global economic crisis. Suggestions will be provided to improve for free. Also, those who cannot afford to implement on suggestions, help will be provided for free. In phase 4, we will work on future development of the global world. Currency. We will use new global world virtual money, that's virtual gold, as our currency, which will be unlimited per day, per second, per moment. Every time it will be unlimited. So that money will not be a problem at all. And we will fully focus on fixing global system. One virtual gold is equal to 1 gram of real gold will always be used as reference point. We cannot buy whole world from real gold, since real gold is a little tiny part of the whole world. In reality, it is reference point to balance the price to serve humanity. Global ID card. We will need to issue new chip-enabled all-in-one global ID card, cell phone number, everything in one, which will be replace all passport, national IDs, cards, bank cards, health card, telephone numbers, etc., so that remembering their numbers will not be difficult for individuals, since they will be only one number they need to remember for life. It must contain information of their DNA, fingerprints, photo, barcode, etc. if possible. World has enough to feed, but not greed. Everyone has right to live happily. Yes, there are people as well as organizations who really deserve to be acknowledged in a balanced way. If you have seen a dolphin show, perhaps you might have noticed that she always gets a special treat of fish on every action performed. Human nature is like also like that. And those who really deserve need a special encouragement in a balanced way. Even in the heaven, there are grades, and deserving people will be encouraged enough to make them happy. But we have to be keep in mind how much is too much. Media must play an active role on promoting the truth to save humanity for free. And duties of the people must be, as mentioned in the Quran, chapter 18, verse 28. And withhold yourself with those who call on their Lord morning and evening, desiring his goodwill, and not let your eyes pass from them. Always, yes, sir, till they follow the Quran and Quran only, desiring the beauties of this world's life, and not follow him those whose hurt whose hurt we have made unmindful to our remembrance. And he follows his own low desires, and his case is one in which due bonds are exceeded. Allah never changes the conditions of a nation until their people change, not their leaders. First, first people need to change themselves, and no changes without right action. Locally, I'm sorry, globally, yes, we can recover global world with 100% guarantee upon full support from global people by God willing. I invite you all to join this noble mission and invite others to join it to save humanity without any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, language, and nationality, etc. No single person can fix it. No single country can fix it. It has to be done globally. More advanced research need to be done at PhD level on each and every things internationally, all around the world. Thinking locally while living in global world will not save our global world. Repeatedly relying on same corrupt or incompetent person will not change fortune of nation of or global world. Do not even think to reappoint those who were failed to protect the corruption in the land. Thank you.